Hey guys, today I'll show you how to connect MA2 on PC to MA3D so that way you can see your stage in the visualizer. So go ahead and open up those two programs and we'll go to Setup in MA on PC and we'll go to MA Network Control. And what we'll do is we'll sign into the 127 IP address. Now if you're going to use a visualizer at church, just stay connected to the 192 IP address, but if you're programming from home or another place, use the 127 IP. And we'll go ahead and create session, and we are there. We're in green, and then we'll go back to MA3D, and let me open that up. Here it is, and we'll go to File, and let's go to Settings, Network. So I'm already connected to 127, but you might be connected to some random one like your 169 IP address. So what you'll have to do if you're not connected to 127 already, go ahead and select it, hit OK, and then go ahead and close out of MA3D. You can hit no on if you want to save. Reopen it, and then when you go back into MA3D and go to File and then Settings and Network, you'll see that 127 will be right there and you're ready to go. Alright, so minimize this and let's bring up MA2 on PC. And let's go to MA Network Configuration. And we'll go over to the 3D tab. Let's see. It's probably going to look like this at first. And we'll do Add Present. And then we'll right click on Session Member. Click Yes, and then we'll right click on User and hit Administrator. Let's go back to Administrator. There we go. Once you hit Yes, it connects automatically, but make sure you're in the Administrator user. And so you see everything's in green. If you weren't connected, this would be red right now, but we are connected. So if we go into MA3D, we should see our stage. And here it is. And I already have the first song up and running. Let's go to screen 2. So I'm in song 1 on Q2 already. So that's why you're seeing things happen. So if I go to a big chorus right here, the light should change. And it should look pretty familiar in the room. If you're in the room looking at this and then also looking at the stage, this is what the lights should be doing. Now you can change the environment within 3D, like if you go to rendering and you mess with some of the ambient flare, you can mess with the beam intensity as well. I have it pretty low just so it kind of replicates what's in the room. And then spot intensity, like on your floor, background color. Let's see, we can probably lower the curtain color and everything, or just the point light color on the curtain, so that way, you know, there's not much glare going on. So change the bloom and everything, which is pretty cool. So yeah, you can do a lot in here, and we can also in the future build the full room. So if you hold down your right click on your mouse, you can actually move around. My mouse is kind of messing up, so it's not really a good demonstration, but and then also if you hold your scrolling wheel, you can go down to different looks, top view, and then you can also go into a 2D view as well to get some more layouts and everything. So you can mostly just use the front, and then you can zoom in with your scroll as well, and then you can also, if you right click, I don't know why my mouse is messing up, you can also pan, which will then kind of just pan around the room. You can orbit as well, and you can also zoom. So those are some of the features of it, but you'll just mostly be on move. And man, this mouse is messing up. But anyway, you get the picture. And if you program at home and then you take your flash drive, remember to definitely save. Like once you're at home and you like what you see, save it. Your flash drive will pop up in here somewhere. Click on it. Let's just act like this is my flash drive, and I'll hit Save Show, and then you can eject the USB, take it to the church, and then when you upload it, you don't have to worry about going back to MA Network Control to sign back into the local IP address, because it will automatically do it for you since you're back on that computer at the church. So don't worry about that. You only sign in or create this session in this IP address if you're programming off-site on your computer. So that's it. I believe I covered everything. So if you have any questions, just text me or give me a call. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.